It's soup season and have I got a fantastic one for you. This is my chicken pumpkin and red lentil soup. This is an ingredient that I always have in my pantry because it is so versatile and I love the nutty flavour of it. Also, you don't need to soak it, you can use it straight away. I have given it a rinse just like all pulses. So I'm just preheating a pot. We're going to add a splash of oil, not too much, and 1 onion. I've got a half one here because it's so chunky, and I am going to blend this soup up, so I don't need to be pedantic with my chopping. Just cut it into smaller bits and we'll start the frying process off. So in with the onion first, just give that a bit of a shake so it's coated in the oil. And 1 celery stick. I'm just going to take the fibrous bit off, and then the same, we're just going to cut it in half and then in rough chunks. Go. And this is a large portion recipe. I never make a soup at home where I make a small batch because it's just so easy to freeze, and when you want a very quick soup you can just thaw it out and it's ready to go. All right, let's just give that a quick stir. We don't want too much colour on this, so just soften it slightly. That's looking good. And then some pumpkin. Now you could use any variety of pumpkin. I've got some butternut pumpkin. Taken all the seeds out and then cubed it. And then in it goes, chunky cubes. We'll just coat that in the oil. And this is something that is totally optional. If you want to keep it vegetarian, you can leave it out. But just the addition of 2 drumsticks like this makes all the difference. It really is like a flavour bomb and makes it extra hearty. So 2 drumsticks, they're also super economical. So in they go, along with our gorgeous red lentils. Got about a cup there, and we'll coat everything together. Okay. To this I'm going to add some stock. We just need about 500 mils of chicken stock. Now because we do have the chicken legs in there, you can of course omit the stock. I just like an extra boost of chicken flavour. And then I'm also going to cover the rest of it with some water, okay? And you do need quite a lot of water because those red lentils do thicken up. This is going to come up to the boil, then I'll turn it down to a simmer, lid on, and we'll cook that until the pumpkin is cooked and the chicken is super tender. This soup smells fantastic. It's thickened up nicely. Let's have a look at this. See that? That is perfect. Now you can serve this chunky, but I'm going to blend it. But before we blend it, we must take our chicken drumsticks out. They're so soft. And we'll return all of that shredded meat later on. While they cool for a moment, I'm going to prepare a buttery pepita topping. It's just a lovely little crunch for this soup. It works really well. So I've just preheated a pan in with about 25 grams of butter. So while we wait for that to melt away, let's blend up our lentil and pumpkin soup. Okay, that's looking pretty good. And just to shred the chicken, I'll just grab 2 forks. We'll take away the skin, we'll just discard that. And we just want that beautiful tender meat. You can see that's all you need, 2 chicken drumsticks, just to add that extra meatiness. You don't need more than that really. And we'll just return all of this chicken meat. We'll give that one last stir and that soup is good to go. Okay, this butter has melted nicely. In with our pepitas. And I've got a little bit of smoked paprika here. Pumpkin and smoked paprika and the nuttiness of those lentils go so well together. So just a hint of that. I also really like the colour. It'll stain that butter. So you want to give this about 3 to 5 minutes or until they're toasted and slightly golden brown. Well, this is all lovely and foamy and it smells quite aromatic, so it's good to go. I'll plate up a generous portion of this soup, making sure we get some of that chunky chicken. Okay, pour that in. And to that, this flavoursome butter, all those pepitas, sprinkle them over the top. How pretty does that look? That's a beautiful way to dress up a humble soup. Red lentils, they're so good for you, full of fibre, and more importantly, full of taste. Fantastic in a little pumpkin and chicken soup, just like this one.